This tree warns its neighbors when something is eating it. Meet the acacia, the drought-defying icon of African savannas and arid lands worldwide. With its unmistakable umbrella silhouette, this tree thrives where almost nothing else can. The acacia fixes nitrogen from the air through its roots, enriching even the most depleted soils. Its deep taproot reaches water that other plants simply cannot find, surviving on as little as 100 millimeters of annual rainfall. Gum arabic harvested from Acacia, Senegal, is used in everything from soft drinks to watercolor paints. And when herbivores start feeding on its leaves, some species release ethylene gas, a chemical signal that warns neighboring trees to make their own leaves bitter. Plant acacias at the start of the rainy season so roots establish before the dry months return. Give them full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours daily, and well-drained soil. Space trees 5 to 10 meters apart, and protect young seedlings from browsing animals during their first year. Do plant acacias to restore degraded land and build soil fertility. Don't overwater established trees. They're built for drought, and wet roots cause rot. And always check local regulations before planting. Some species are invasive outside their native range. From the Sahara to the savanna, the acacia stands where almost nothing else will, building soil, sheltering life, and proving that resilience is nature's greatest gift. Restore, protect, inspire.